Algebra 2 Worksheet 31.1 on the back, numbers 19, 20, and 21 all have to deal with this bag of candy, and we're working probabilities for all these three problems. Bob has a bag of candy containing 14 Snickers, 5 Twix, 8 Butterfingers, 9 bags of Skittles, and 14 Starbursts. Number 19. Given that Bob grabs something chocolate, what is the probability that he grabs a Twix? So first of all, we have to know from all these candies which ones have chocolate in them. The only ones that don't are the Skittles and the Starbursts. So we're dealing with 14, I'm going to say S for Snickers, 5 Twix, and 8 Butterfingers. Out of all those together, you have a total of 14 plus 5 plus 8 is 27. And it's only asking about the Twix. Now, that means that we're only taking one piece of candy out, so we only have one probability. There are 5 Twix in those 27, so our probability would just be 5 over 27. We don't have to combine it with anything, we don't have to multiply it. The only thing we check to here is if it would reduce, and it doesn't, so we're done with 5 27s. For number 20, what is the probability that Bob grabs a Butterfinger or a Snickers? And now we're assuming we're going to go ahead and use all that entire bag of candy. So if you add all those totals up, you're going to have 50 total pieces of candy in there. Now there are 2 of these that we're dealing with. So Butterfinger or Snickers. Since it's an OR probability, we're going to be adding those 2. There are 8 Butterfinger plus, how many Snickers? Well, 14 Snickers, which gives us 22 out of the 50 total, which reduces to 11/25. So our probability of getting one or the other is 11 over 25. Now look at 21. What is the probability that Bob grabs a Butterfinger and a Snickers? Now we're dealing with a different kind of probability. We're taking that 8 over 50. Now we're dealing with taking one out of the bag at a time, which changes. You still have 14 Snickers when you take the Snickers out, but that means that we've taken one of this Butterfinger already, so we're down to 49 instead of 50. This is now where it changes. And instead of adding, we're multiplying those 2. Reduce where you can. 7 goes into both of these. That becomes 2 over 7. 2 goes into the 50 goes 25 times. So you're left with 8 over 25 times 7. That gives us 8 over 175. So our probability is 8 out of 175 that we get the Butterfinger and a Snicker.